Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Check that Dash Parkour Reborn is selected and your movement keys are intuitive. Once set, map dash and jump so you can hit them together without thinking because speed matters. Start on an easy flat arena to practice a single dash into a jump. This builds muscle memory. Make sure to test camera sensitivity. It affects your aim while dashing. Once done, repeat short runs until the dash to jump rhythm feels natural and automatic. Now you chain movements together. Dash, then immediately jump to get extended distance and height. You want to press dash just before your feet leave the ground because that overlap converts horizontal speed into forward momentum. Once airborne, use crouch or slide at the right moment to squeeze under blockers, timing their saves milliseconds. Practice sequences of 2 or 3 dashes with varied jumps. This is where routes differ. Make sure to adjust speed versus control. Faster isn't always better if you miss a platform. You finish by planning your final approach. Ease off just enough to line up the last jump because precision beats raw speed on the final platform. If you repeatedly miss the same section, reset keybinds or lower sensitivity. Inconsistent input timing often comes from control settings. Once corrected, rehearse that segment in practice mode until it clicks. If things still go wrong, slow one element at a time, dash, then jump, then landing, and rebuild the sequence deliberately to eliminate the error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.